Hey, what's up? My name is Kelvin Elliott, and today I'm going to show you how to create a border for an element. All right, so first what I'm going to do is create a folder. I'm going to call it borders. And I'm going to fire up Visual Studio Code, create a new file. We'll save this file as index.html and put it in that folder we just created, and I called it what? Borders. Then we want to create another file, save it. We're going to call it styles.css. Save it inside the borders folder. So we have two files in there, the index and the styles. First, we're going to start off with the boilerplate HTML tags. Header, head. We're going to call it CSS borders. We're going to link the CSS to the HTML. Styles.css. And then we're going to start with the body. And I'm just going to create a paragraph tag, and we're going to start off with a dotted border. And we're going to give it a class dotted. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it dotted. It's going to make it easier. And then we're just going to copy this quite a few times. And then we're going to have a dashed border, dashed class. We're going to have a solid border, solid class, double class, groove class, ridge class, inset class, outset class, no border. I'm going to put none for the class. We got hidden border, hidden for the class. And a mixed border. Yes, I think these are all the border styles that you can have. So in the style CSS, we're going to access the dash, the paragraphs with the dash class. I'm going to put the border style, and it's going to be dashed. First, we're going to pop that up, set the view float on top. We're going to open this file in Chrome, and go to the desktop, borders folder, index.html, and voila. So actually the dotted border was first, but that's fine. We'll just do that next. And I can't type. Dotted class, say border style, dotted. Refresh, it's dotted. And then you just go down the list. Solid, border style, solid, double, border style, double, so forth and so on. So it's pretty much the whole gist of it. You just set the border style to whatever you want it to be with the correct value. That's pretty much it. Border style. I do these videos because I'm trying to solidify my knowledge. I want to go back and build a strong foundation on CSS and HTML and pretty much everything that I have learned. I know they tell you not to learn everything, but I feel like to become a better developer, you got to have a strong foundation. And I started off, learning tutorials. Then I went to college. I went to a 2-year community college, and they teach you like the bare bones fundamentals, but it's up to you, well, really, as a developer, to learn on your own and develop your own skills. And in my opinion, I think the best way to learn is to start from the top and work your way to where you want to be. I mean, it's not the fastest way, but I think learning slow, you learn better. Instead of trying to learn a whole bunch of things at one time, you actually spend time on what you're learning and you understand how it works. So when you get to more complex concepts, it won't be as hard, or you'll easily understand it. There won't be any gaps in your knowledge. And that's the true sign of being a great developer to me, is not actually knowing everything, but to have a strong foundation. And so that's what I'm doing with these tutorials. And and if it's help to anybody, then that means I'm doing something right. Mixed. Did I put that right? Yeah, I put mixed. Mixed. We can just do a combination of all of them, really. So you can say like dotted, dash, solid, double, and it'd be clockwise starting from the top. So top is dotted, the right is dash, solid at the bottom, and double on the left. And there it is. And so with this quick tutorial, I showed you how to create a border on an element. And in web design, borders are very common, so it's good to know these things. Border style, you could use the border tag to declare a whole bunch of different things within the border scope. But border style, I wanted to focus on the bare bones fundamentals of things. And so, yeah, that's what I showed you today, is how to change the different border styles on the element. So just be on the lookout for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.